Hey everyone, it's Sanskar, Aery CEO, founder here, and I want to talk to you about some updates. So, first of all, thank you for all the support that you showed us on the Y Combinator video that we put out. Unfortunately, we haven't heard anything back yet, but we really do appreciate your support and supporting us through this journey. Now, we want to talk about some massive updates, like I promised earlier, about like 2 weeks ago. We've been working really hard behind the scenes, and while we did say in the beginning that we were going to have weekly updates, actually a lot of this stuff has been challenging. So we've been working really hard in the background. So the last update we talked about was the Figma design of the read inbox, meaning the emails that have already been read or swiped through, and those are the emails that have been read. We have decided to go with the gridless design, the first one, and thanks to your suggestions, we will continue modifying it and refining that design. Okay, let's quickly talk about newest updates. Number one, I'm going to show it on the screen right now. We got the login screen to work. So now you're able to authenticate into Aery using any email provider. Right now, it is using Gmail. So you can see me logging into Gmail using Aery and able to see my inbox. So we have login screen using OAuth, so it's very secure. And we have our inbox, which is directly my inbox in Gmail. And this is great. So we have the inbox sorted out. We have the login screen sorted out. And the third thing is AI. So of course we have our own local large language model inside of Aery that's being powered by ExecuTorch. This is essentially a fork of PyTorch, which allows for LLMs to be put on edge devices like our phones and run at really good speeds. I'm going to show you a comparison here. An LLM that doesn't have any ExecuTorch fine-tuning and our LLM that has ExecuTorch fine-tuning. Can you see the difference? Ours is about 500% faster in inference speeds, and it keeps the same accuracy. So this is what's going to be powering all the email processing and the large language model processing inside of Aery, and it'll be as efficient as possible and as performative as possible. Aery is going to be one of the first apps to actually have this technology in it. Third thing, plans for the future. Okay, you saw the newest updates. What about the future? It's been a month, so we were thinking of, instead of hosting weekly updates, we're going to probably do monthly updates, big update drops. And so this was the first one, and now you kind of see where we are in our progress cycle. Okay, so what's it for March? In March, our plan is to host an alpha test. An alpha test is essentially us trying to get your user feedback using Aery. Yes, you will be able to use Aery and help us debug things and use it for your own, see how the experience is like for you. The reason why we're doing this is because we are still slated for a beta launch for June and May. That beta launch is going to be a lot more people, and then we have full launch, but we want to make sure that we're developing with user feedback, with many iterations upon what users want, right? So that's why we're hosting this. Now, do set your expectations as this is an alpha test. It will most likely be buggy, so please help us, give us user feedback and what we can improve and what we can change, etc. The alpha test will be at the end of March, so get ready for that. Whoever participates in the alpha test, by the way, can only be in the Discord, so please don't invite any others to this alpha test. If you're in the Discord, you'll be good. To participate, I will be giving you a survey. It's probably in the same announcement as this video. Please fill out the survey. It will ask you for your name and what device you use, either iOS or Android. And we kind of want to see what split of people are going to be using what operating system. Now you have all the updates, you have the plans. If you have any questions, let me know. I will see you later. Thank you for supporting us here for Aery.